filming?
Yeah.
What's up, everyone? Today we're making 2 different types of Japanese soups. So right now we're just going down to the water to get some mussels, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Get the colander, quick. Run.
All right, looks like I'm gonna have to get kind of wet.
Are you finding them?
Here.
Toss it in.
Oh, yeah. 3. Okay, that should be enough. The smoke. What's that? Why is there smoke?
The Canadians. All right, guys, so this whetstone has been soaking for about 20-30 minutes. So now it's fully saturated and I can sharpen my knife. So guys, today we have a golden pompano with us. This guy, as you can see, when I bought it, he has already been definned, detailed, and gutted. As we can tell, this is a wild fish with a decent amount of fat. He should be pretty good for sashimi as well as for our soup. So first off, we are going to dehead this guy. I'm gonna follow the line of where the gills were, sort of near the gill plate, and I'm gonna make a cut through the spinal cord. I'm gonna flip him. Next, we are going to fillet this guy. I'm gonna start from the base of the gut cavity, work towards the tail. And that is our first gorgeous pompano fillet. So now I'm going to do the exact same process on the other half of the fish. When you can see through the skeleton of your filleted fish, you know you did a pretty good job. Now I'm going to take the rib cage off of the belly of each fillet. Now we are going to separate this beautiful fillet into 2. We're going to cut out the bloodline in the middle, and we're going to have the top line and the bottom line with the belly meat, okay? Now that our fish has been fully processed, we have the remains, the head and the bones and the skin. We are going to grill these and then use them to make our fish stock / dashi broth. Now we also have the belly meats of the fish, in which we are going to throw in the soup because I think it will taste real nice. And furthermore, we have the back loins, and this is the nice firm sashimi meat in which we're going to do a taste test. All right, so we have 3 gorgeous abalone. Much like the mussels, they are quite grimy in their natural form, and these guys are pretty dirty and pretty stinky. So we are going to do a deep salt rub. Wash them in water, take them out of the shell, do another deep salt rub. Ready, guys? We are gonna shuck these bad boys. Look at that shell. Isn't it just so pretty? That is pretty cool. Huh? Take this little guy, and we are going to remove his organs, which is primarily this yellow large thing is the liver. Sometimes it's good to eat this, but only with fresh ones. These ones have been pre-frozen, so that is a no-go for today. So, a little more anatomy. This is the abalone beak. They have a beak and it's hidden in here. And so we just have to and remove the beak. This thing is similar to a squid's beak and is used to eat other shellfish. Oh no, looks like we have a liver tear, or perhaps that's the gallbladder. Go in from the left side, like this. Boom, and absolutely perfect shuck. You know, this really excites me. Alrighty guys, so now we have abducted the abductor muscle from these lovely abalones, and we are going to give them their second salt rub of the day. Yeah. Checking for impurity. Okay, so we have a wild caught striper fillet. I actually caught this the other night. It is very fresh, very fatty, came from a large fish. So hopefully this will be great sashimi. When cutting sashimi, you want to go in at a horizontal angle, and then at the last second, change your blade to downward. And this is our golden pompano, and we are going to cut some gorgeous sashimi slices from this. Very fatty fish. I don't know if you can quite tell on camera, but it's very oily, very nice. This will taste good.
Let's make some unagi sauce. I'm gonna start off with a 1/4 cup of mirin. We have no granulated sugar, so we're gonna have to do powdered sugar. Now a 1.5 tablespoons of sake. Let's light this flame. And a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Might be here for a while. All right. Good. Okay, let's pour it. Now some hot chili sesame oil. Start with the sesame oil. Oh, Lord.
Lord.
Now we're gonna try the ponzu. It's a combination of shoyu soy sauce and yuzu. Is that right?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna try store-bought unagi sauce, which is usually made for barbecuing freshwater eel. That should be good. And last but not least, soy sauce to complete our 5 Japanese sauce lineup.
Itadakimasu.
Gochisousama deshita.
Look how pretty they are. Alrighty, so we are going to cut up, looks like we're gonna do 2 pieces of kombu and let it sit in this pot cold water for around 30 minutes. Starting to prepare the fish stock. Hi! Okay, wait.
So,
We are going to barbecue these fish bones. Time to light the burner. Sal. It's funny. I'll put it right here. It's not doing great with the flash, but it's pretty bad. Did you lose a piece of fish down there?
done.
Oh my.
I can feel it sizzling in my hand. Come on, Nat. Come on.
Like a ton of like. These are shaved bonito flakes. A bonito, which is a relative of a tuna, its meat is dried and then shaved into these small flakes, which make a wonderful dashi broth. Let's add about a handful.
And this is going in the soup. Now we're gonna add the dried anchovies. Yeah, scrub them good.
Good, great. Let me spread it out, of course. What? Oh, I burnt myself. Time to add the liquor. Sake.
Your mom up all night?
Yeah. Alright.
I could cut this all day.
In our kombu-based broth, we are going to add just a pinch of homemade beef tallow for a slightly richer flavor, as the shiitake has not done quite enough good. You know, I always love to up the umami. 4 mussels going in. 5 mussels going in. Fish going in. Fish going in. Like that. Alright. Every boy needs mussels in order for him to live a fulfilling and lovely life. That's what my mother told me. Hot, that is hot. The soup has been completed. Make sure the steam doesn't cloud the camera. All right.
Let's dime. Again, we got our sort of vegetable-based soup, and then we have our
Fish-based soup.
fish-based soup.
And both soups have fresh caught mussels,
Mussels,
golden pompano,
Pompano,
striped bass,
yes.
tofu, and green onion. Oh, it's refreshing for the soul. Mm.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's sweet. It's sweet.
This is salty.
You know, in terms of broth, I prefer that one.
We had a great time filming this video. Let us know in the comments section how you like this different style of video with us talking and without the music.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and perhaps comment. Share it to your elders, and have a great day.